Hi guys, and welcome to my next video. Today we're going to visit another Škoda Museum, which is approximately 30 minutes far from Prague, and according to the website it should be even better than the one we visited in my previous video. So as I mentioned in my previous video, if you're a car lover, you should definitely go to see the spot, and at least you can compare which one do you like better. Also, they have souvenir store and the admission fee is about 200 Czech crowns, which could be around $25 per person. I'm not sure, something like that. I forgot the name of the city where this Škoda Museum is located, so I'll tell you this later. But it's my sister's boyfriend's birthday and we're going there together as his gift. And I think this could be very fun and very interesting for you. So I decided to take you with me. I'm taking my camera as well, so I'll take some nice pictures. And I can't wait. I'm almost ready, so I'm just waiting for my pickup and then I'll see you there. Alright guys, we are here, so I'm gonna walk you through this museum. It's called World of Škoda and it's in Čerčany. So let's go! These are beautiful. These are really ones. This one is a very old one. Also these. And these. Alright guys, I'm back home and I just wanted to talk a little bit about this World of Škoda. So as I mentioned, this museum is in Čerčany and it's about 30 minutes far from Prague. The admission fee costs 200 crowns, which is about $25 I would say. And we are getting into which one I liked better, because both are amazing and unique and they have a different stuff. Škoda Museum in Mladá Boleslav is more modern and it has a story because the museum is right beside the factory where the Škoda cars are being made. and this one is far from this city and Škoda factory, but the display was much nicer and they had a little nicer like Škoda cars, but maybe a little better today's one because there were no people and we were almost by ourselves there. It's maybe because it's also Monday, but to the other one we went also during the weekday. It was busier and they had some event which made the impression from it a little worse, I would say. But both are amazing. So if you are looking to visit any of these, I would say today's one is less busier at all because it's not that famous. But if you want to visit the original one in Mladá Boleslav, go there. Both are amazing. So you can think about it based on my videos and see which one do you like better. And yeah, I really enjoyed that. I took some pictures, I had a great family time, and I would definitely go again to either or. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. As always, I would be really happy for a like, comment, and especially subscribe so you don't miss any of my other videos, and I'll see you in the next video.